friends, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to disassemble and assemble the Puppet Cube version 1. In the last time I disassembled and assembled the Puppet Cube version 2. Then I told I will make a new video about the Puppet 1. So today I am going to disassemble and assemble the Puppet 1. People who haven't checked out the Puppet 2 disassembly and assembly video, please check it out. It's in the description box below. So first we will learn how to disassemble it. So for disassembling it, you need to face yellow. So you should face green on front and white on top. Then do a U prime, and then after you do U prime, you can do R. So what you do is this piece over here, right? Just take it, stretch it, and then do an R. Try to do a little R. Or if it's not easy for you, and we see here some pieces are broken. Just attach this. So remember to do it carefully, else your pieces will break like this. So in case your piece breaks like this or like this, don't worry, you can fix it easily. So in case your edges break, what you can do is, there are two, this one and the hole, one with the hole. And in the same for the other edge piece also. Now what you have to do is, this pointed one should go inside the other one's hole. And then just join it. That's the edge fixed. Now in case your corner piece gets broken, then you do the same as this. There will be some holes in here, and then you should find the correct angle and tilt it and put it. Now for the centers, after we disassemble it, we'll fix it. So I'll just take out all the pieces. So one corner piece, for me it's yellow, red, blue, will be left out. We cannot take it, so don't pull and take it and break it. So this is actually the core. And now first let's fit the centers. So these are the center pieces. So I'll just easily put it on and put this on. Okay. So first we start with red and green. So it's not same like it's a little same like the Puppet 2. So what we do is we tilt sideways, put it here, and then just like that. Then the same we do for the red and white. Now what we do is, here we will put it on top, just tilt it to here. Now we will fill in the rest of the three corners. First red, white, blue. Red goes down, put it in there. Then red, green, white. Red goes down. Carefully put it in there. Put it down and do it. And then red, green, yellow. Red goes down and carefully put it in there. Okay, so it should look like this. The red will be solved. So next, what you have to do is, you need to solve the second layer. Just like the second step is solving the second layer. Now this is the second layer. Okay, over here. One piece, one piece, one piece. The other piece you don't need to cut. Okay. So green and yellow edge piece over here. Now what I'll do is, I'll do the same as the Puppet 2 cube. Just I'll just move it over here, then move it down. Move it as far as you can, then move it down when it reaches the correct thing. Now for the same for the green and white. So I'll take a green and white edge piece, move it as much correct angle, and then put it down. Now white and blue, same thing. Now we have our second layer solved. Okay, we cannot move it to the second layer like the puppet 2 cube since this piece is not there. So next is the last step where we will solve the third layer. So how to solve the third layer? We take any orange piece, start with orange and white. Then as you see here, there are two of these pointed things, right? So in these two pointed things, the bottom pointed thing, you should keep it in the bottom color. The color, same color, just keep it like that and then push. And then go a little sideways. Or if this is too confusing for you, sometimes this piece will break and you can just put it back. Or if this is too confusing for you, you will just move the centerpiece half degree, put like this using the same method and put it back. That will be easier. So now I will insert the orange, white, blue, orange on top. Okay, so what I will do is I will move it halfway, just insert it and move it back. Now orange, blue. So I see an orange, blue here. What I will do is this piece, like that. Okay, so if the gear moves, if the gear moves a little, let it free, let it move. But if the gear moves too much, put it back. Okay, because if the gear moves too much, there are some chances, higher chances of the cube to get broken, like disassembled again. So to prevent them from happening, you move it back in case it moves very more. So next I will insert the orange, blue, yellow corner piece, orange on top. What I will do is I will just push in and it got inside the slot and I put it back. Now this orange and yellow piece over here, let's see. So what I will do is this one, in case this one comes in the middle, I will first complete this corner first. So what I will do is orange, green, white, push on top, complete it. Second, what I will do in these three gaps, I will complete orange, green. I'll put green down and orange on top and push, or orange on top and green down and push. Then it went inside, as you see here. Now next I will put this edge. So what I'll do is I'll put it inside the slot. It's a little tricky. Else if you can't resist, then you can take this corner piece out. Make it more easier. Put it in. Like that. And then over here I will move it a little bit and put it as much as a gap I can and try to put it inside. Just put it back. Just move it. And put it back. And the last one, I just put some pressure. Else I'll remove this. Put this. Then I will move it. Okay, so somehow I managed to fit it. I just pressed inside this gap in the middle. So that, oh, my white buttons, so just put it there. Now that our puppet one is assembled. So I hope you liked watching this video, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to watch more interesting videos from my channel. See you later in more videos.